everyone, Angelica here, and today for tech tips. Say you're walking outside and you've got a whole bunch of snow, and whoops, your phone slips out of your pocket and deep into a snowbank. Now you're worried about moisture, so how do you get it out? Rice in a bag and your phone? Not the best idea. The rice dust can get into your phone as well and cause other kinds of damage. Come on in and I'll show you what you can do.
Okay, here's what to do. Take the case off your phone and power down right away. Don't panic. Don't press a whole bunch of buttons. We don't want the phone to short circuit with the moisture inside. Make sure there's no snow packed in the ports. If there is, you can give it a little wave to have gravity pull it out. Towel dry the outside. Grab a Ziploc baggie and those little silica gel packets. They usually come in packaging in order to keep things dry. Place your phone inside the bag with the packets, and the packets should soak up the moisture from the phone, and your phone should run smoothly again. Hope that tip was helpful, and call us anytime you need us. Larry the Computer Guy, IT Managed Service Provider, Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. Hope you have a great week.